exceptional raised garden bed ideas that will inspire you. Welcome to our guide on exceptional raised garden bed ideas that will inspire you to create your own flourishing oasis. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, raised garden beds offer numerous benefits and endless creative possibilities. In this video, we'll explore innovative designs, materials, and techniques to elevate your gardening experience. Number 1. Tiered beds. Tiered raised beds add depth and visual interest to your garden while maximizing space. By stacking multiple levels, you can create a stunning cascading effect and easily separate different plant varieties based on their needs. Consider incorporating steps or pathways between tiers for easy access and maintenance. Number 2. Vertical gardens. Take your gardening to new heights with vertical raised beds. These space-saving structures are perfect for small yards or balconies, allowing you to grow a variety of plants without sacrificing valuable ground space. From herbs and flowers to vegetables and succulents, the possibilities are endless when you think vertically. Number 3. Creative materials. Get creative with your choice of materials to add personality and style to your raised garden beds. Instead of traditional wood, consider using reclaimed pallets, stone, metal, or even recycled plastic. Each material offers its own unique aesthetic and can complement your garden's overall design theme. Number 7. Raised bed accessories. Enhance the functionality and beauty of your raised garden beds with accessories such as trellises, arbors, and decorative borders. These additions not only provide support for climbing plants but also add architectural interest and define the edges of your garden beds. Number 5. Raised bed combinations. Mix and match different types of raised garden beds to create a dynamic and multifunctional garden space. Combine traditional rectangular beds with circular or hexagonal ones for added visual appeal. Experiment with varying heights and sizes to create a diverse and harmonious garden layout. Number 6. Integrated seating. Transform your raised garden beds into inviting outdoor seating areas by incorporating built-in benches or ledges. This allows you to relax and enjoy your garden up close while also maximizing space efficiency. Add cushions, pillows, or blankets for added comfort and style. Number 7. Raised bed edging. Define the borders of your raised garden beds with creative edging materials such as bricks, stones, or decorative tiles. This not only adds finishing touch to your garden design, but also helps contain soil and prevent erosion. Experiment with edging styles to find the perfect match for your garden aesthetic. Number 8. Seasonal themes. Celebrate the changing seasons by designing raised garden beds that reflect the colors, textures, and themes of each time of the year. From vibrant spring blossoms to cozy fall foliage, let nature inspire your garden design choices and create a captivating landscape that evolves with the seasons. Number 9. Accessible gardens. Make gardening more accessible to everyone by designing raised beds that accommodate individuals with mobility challenges. Incorporate features such as raised or elevated beds, wide pathways, or adjustable heights to ensure that everyone can enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening regardless of their physical limitations. Number 10. Interactive elements. Engage your senses and ignite your creativity with interactive raised garden bed elements such as sensory gardens, butterfly habitats, or miniature fairy gardens. These whimsical additions not only add charm and intrigue to your garden, but also provide educational opportunities for children and adults alike. In conclusion, raised garden beds offer a versatile canvas for expressing your creativity and cultivating a thriving outdoor sanctuary. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs or rustic or whimsical charm, there is a raised garden bed idea out there to suit your style and inspire your gardening adventures. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your shawls, and let your imagination take root in your very own raised garden paradise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration and tips. Happy gardening!